what intrigued us about the school is actually when we first moved here, it was something that we knew we wanted to send her from the beginning. So we've both grown up in Catholic schools our entire lives. And so we decided to find a church that had a school. And it just so happened that St. Thomas More was that church and school. He just started as a kindergartner this year, which is really exciting for us. So
Yeah, I think one of the probably like biggest things for us was we tried out several, churches, and we were kind of curious to know, like, from Miami, thinking like, okay, well, where can we go in Atlanta that's feels like home? And we came to church one day here, St. Thomas More, and I remember looking at my wife saying like, wow, like that really felt like we were still home. Like that felt like such a great place to go. And then, needless to say, we started looking into the school, and we're like, wow, this is actually a really great school. Like we should come check it out. And here we are today. Our daughter Sophia, like my wife mentioned, is in kindergarten. As of right now, she loves it. She does not stop talking about it when she gets home. She's just over the moon, ecstatic for it. So, very happy with our decisions, and I think she's enjoying every second of it.
And I think for a parent, if you're wondering, is St. Thomas More the school for you? One of the biggest things for us is when we came for a tour and an open house, and we had the opportunity to see the teachers, see how the school worked. It just kind of threw us back to being kids ourselves and remembering what it was like. And you never realize as a parent how those memories kind of trigger you back to all the good feelings that you had. So that was exciting for us. And again, the staff, everybody's so welcoming and so kind, not only to us, but to our daughter, that it just made the decision even easier for us to make to send her here to St. Thomas More.